Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Download, install and log in. Head to the Microsoft Store and download the free Facebook app from the Windows Store. Install it and then log in using your Facebook ID if you have one. Or create a new account if you don't. During the install process you'll be asked if you want to add Facebook to your live tiles.
Let's help you make your mark.
Where to download Facebook? Whether you use Android or iOS, there's a version of Facebook for your phone or tablet. For desktops and laptops, you'll need to use your favorite web browser to log in to the service.
Let's help you make your mark.
Free Facebook app for any Windows PC. Facebook for Windows is a social media app that allows you to use a native PC app rather than logging in through a browser. You'll also get desktop notifications for events, even when it's minimized.
Let's help you make your mark.
Facebook Messenger finally has its own desktop app, making it easier to message and video chat with friends and family from your computer. The app, which is now available on the Microsoft Store and Mac App Store, lets you message friends and start video calls, just like on the mobile and web versions.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Facebook app has returned as a PWA, enabled by the Chromium-powered Edge engine, and required Windows 10 build 19003. This is a beta version of the Facebook experience for Windows 10. Give it a try to be among the first to test our latest features.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The app should continue to work for those of you who have already downloaded it, but Microsoft and Facebook have confirmed that Windows 10 users should now use Facebook via the web. As of February 28, the Facebook desktop app for Windows is no longer available.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.